Give it to Dad.
Here, Dad. Dad.
What'd you get me?
I think something. I'll just open it.
Just open it.
I already buy you that one.
Thank you, baby. Home is where our story begins.
I already give you that.
I wonder where I'll put it. And I got
A scissors.
scissors for cooking.
Oh, that's what it
And I got,
I already got you
what
that.
is this? Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. And
I
maple
wanna buy you
bacon.
that
Ooh,
one,
that looks
too.
good.
Ayan.
That area.
Good job, Bella. Eh, kiss Daddy. Hug.
Mwah.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Happy Father's Day. Thank you.
Okay, Alex, go. Go over there.
I hope you
Go over there in the bed.
Okay. Ooh.
and I
Bella!
hope you that one.
Oh, my favorite to clean the grill. A lot of people want me to start grilling more. The new grill sets. Thank you.
I
Happy-
give you that.
What is this? It says clearance on it.
Dad. That's for you, Dada.
A mug for my vodka.
What?
That's for the drink you have
Thank you.
choice. The how you drink.
Yeah, it's a hot press because expensive. Okay, Christian.
Turn.
I want to have that too. Because I already give you all that stuff. And this one
This is a
give
big
you.
Go over there. Go over there. Go over there. And on the other side.
It's heavy. And this one give you that.
Somebody wants me to clean the grill, don't
Oh my God!
they? And another barbecue set.
That's for Dad.
Oh, a salt shaker.
Yeah.
I guess that's to put my seasoning in.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. I think I'm getting the hint that you guys like my barbecue. Is that the hint?
Yeah, your barbecue.
And I got some cards.
Yeah?
But there's something else in here. And you wanted a clean grill.
I will get that for you. Dad, I will get that for you.
Wow, that's a lot.
I will get that for you.
Dad, we wanted to get you the perfect gift for Father's Day, but you already have us. Happy Father's Day.
I didn't
Stand
make
up.
one. And I made.
Thank you for working very hard for us so that you can provide for this family. We all love you. And the things that you do.
Mm.
Thank you, Alex.
No, you
Is that everybody?
No,
Thank you,
there's
Bella.
also
Thanks, Christian.
there's also a message in there for them. It's one of them.
Oh, is there? That's Happy Father's Day, Daddy, Bella, Alexander. Thank you for
That one's Christian's.
always taking care of us and providing for us.
It was
Wait,
supposed
did
to be
you also
collaborative.
use the word provide?
And I make a weird
It
one.
was supposed to be collaborative, so like I wrote the beginning part, and then Alex was supposed to add on to it.
Oh. Only God can make a dad. He does it every time. He puts into a heart of father a special warmth and gentleness and the capacity to enjoy life and desire to be with his children because of his delights in watching them grow. Only God can make a dad who admits his mistakes and forgives others, who cheers on his kids on, builds them up, and sometimes picks them up. until they can stand on their own again. Only God can make a dad who shares their laughter, dries their tears, and always keeps on loving. And those who have a dad find that every now and then they just have to stop and whisper, "Thank you, God." Because in their hearts they know that only God can make a dad. A dad like you is a lifetime blessing. Happy Father's Day. Christian, Alex, and Bella, we love you, Daddy.
Aww.
Okay, hug.
Hug, hug, hug.
Hey.
Oh, you're not gonna make it, Bella.
Aww.
All right, thank
Kiss,
you guys.
kiss, 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 Daddy.
Oh.
Aww. Daddy's crying.
Okay, go clean the grill.
No.
So we have salmon tomorrow. I said it. Thank you. And clean the grill.
I do it.
You